Hello. Yes, I'm finally doing this video after how many days? 4 days of our 30 days milestone. It's okay, but I need to put this out there. I'm going off script. I'm going without a script actually, just because I need to get this out there, and I'm not really gonna care about the quality of the video or anything. But yeah, so my name is Chad. I'm a motion designer, and doing illustration every day. I set out on this journey like exactly 1 month ago, according to this video, but that's not really accurate. But anyways, and yeah, I plan out to do this every day mainly for two reasons. One is I want to get good at art, obviously, and good at drawing and good at like seeing shapes and colors and where to place shapes and everything like that. And also I just want to be persistent, and I want to do like pick something and do it every day, and get good at something, which is one of the reasons I'm starting this channel. Is just because I can simply just do this on my own, and not share the process, but me sharing the process is sort of like can help people realize that, hey, maybe if I can't do it as much like at this point in time, maybe after a year or two I'm gonna get better like this person did get better, which is me. So that's basically what I'm trying to prove. Yeah, so I just want to talk about, this is not going to be like a long video. I just want to really go over like what happened throughout the month. So I'm looking at my videos right now, and honestly, I started not knowing anything about streaming or about like recording videos and making videos. I did make AMV videos on this very YouTube channel, but that's like as far as it went. Like I didn't actually make serious videos. I didn't like put myself out there, and putting myself out there is one of the things that are that were kind of scary to me. Even like I'm not showing my face, but even me speaking on stream is very scary. It was very scary to me, and I remember my heart was beating very fast. In fact, my heart beats a little bit every day after I start streaming, but that's okay. I feel like that's gonna go away, but with time. But yeah, so first video, I had no idea how streaming worked, and I had no idea how I'm gonna do this. And the quality, you can go back and watch it. The quality was very bad, and yeah. But I tackled on this lo-fi girl illustration, and honestly, it turned out good. Like for my standards, it turned out not bad at all. In the meantime, and while I was doing this one, I did a frog illustration that I put on my Discord, uh, just as like the profile picture for the Discord server. So I did that one as well, and then I went ahead and did the banner for my YouTube channel. So this month was basically just me doing some stuff for the YouTube channel, just to build like sort of like an identity. It was not even practice, you can call it. Obviously everything I do on this channel is going to be practice, but it was intended to build my channel a little bit, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I did this illustration, I did my banner, and then I went ahead and drew a bunch of boxes. I just drew boxes, man. And that's about it. That's all I did in this month. Things I learned. I improved a lot in Photoshop. Yeah, I made a lot of progress in Photoshop. I was not very comfortable using Photoshop like at all, but now I feel like I'm a little bit more confident using it. I know some ins and outs. I know some tricks, you can say. Yeah, so Photoshop was very big for me. Also, in the process, obviously, by the way, I'm gonna be talking about the process or my art journey, not only when it comes to the live streams, but what I do like off stream as well. So I picked a sketchbook, and I started drawing every day on it. Now, I didn't pick that habit from the start of the month. I picked it like, I think 1 or 2 weeks later, which is, I'm still gonna count like with the whole month because I started it in the month. So yeah, I was drawing like on pen and paper, and that has been a blast as well. And me practicing, I started practicing drawing hands and just drawing basic shapes, and I feel like I have more grasp on basic shapes as well. So that's also good. So I learned that as well. So Photoshop and drawing basic shapes and drawing forms generally. I feel like my forms are less stiffer than what they used to. Yeah, I think that's the way to describe it. But that's about it, really. I'm trying to remember anything else that maybe I worked on. Oh, yeah. And then I started, I think it was this month, right? Doing illustration, refining my storyboards. Yeah, so, yes. So during this month as well, I started a project, basically, this is like the first time I think ever that I'm starting a project from like from what do you call it, storyboarding or mood boarding, from idea basically to the final product, which is an animation, which is kind of crazy to me. I'm going to create an animation like from the very beginning to the very end. That's gonna be very time consuming, and it's gonna take a lot of time as well, but like, I'm here for it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. I just, final words, I just want to say that I'm saying this not only to the viewers, but I'm saying this to my future self. Just stick with it, just stick with, like, I genuinely believe in you wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I don't care if you're like you have like a bunch of problems going on, or you have like that's life, and you have to deal with it. Yeah, that's all I gotta say, really. I just believe in you, and I believe that you can do it wherever you are, whatever situation you're in, basically. I'm trying to be sappy and everything. I'm not finding words. I'm sorry. Yeah, I feel like I'm a very shy and introverted person in these videos, and I feel like I'm gonna be looking at this like 2 years later and being like a different person. Really, I'm gonna be a different person and a more confident person, and I can't wait for that to happen, honestly. And I can't for you as well to grow. Can't wait for you to grow as well, and to be like a different, better person, and like the best version of yourself you could have ever been. And yeah, I love you for that. I genuinely love you for trying as hard as you can to just better yourself every day. Yeah, you're worth loving. Maybe you can struggle with that idea a little bit, but I assure you, you're worth loving by yourself and by others. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. I love you all, and peace out.